We know we want to move left. Okay. So we kind of want, I think maybe like a sine wave. Let's do this. Simple shooting enemy AI. So you're just moving left. But if we did some sort of like something else here, it's sine wave. You can do like sine. We'll slow them down times sine. You want like 0 to 1, right? So what am I thinking? We'd want the Y, but we can't just do left. Left is negative 1.0, right? So we're gonna have to make this. So we just make it go from 0 to negative 1. That's probably easiest. Negative 1 to 0, right? Private float. Move direction. Alright, this direction. I think there's some math f dot ping pong maybe? Ping pong the value is t, so they're never larger than the length and never smaller than 0. So we just do ping pong time, not time. Oh, yeah, time not time, and then we'll just do 2, and then we can just subtract 1 from that. Let's try that. So what we're saying, if I get this right, it's going to go back and forth between 0 and 2, and we want to go from 1 and 0, or 1 and negative 1. So like at 0 it will be negative 1. At 2 it will be 1. So let's try that. Simple. Should be pretty simple. We're using time that time, it's just the whole game clock. So another thing we should do here is private void on disable. We should actually reset the shoot timer, so that, you know, they're not spawning and shooting at the same time while we're there. Oh, look at them go. Oh man. So there's no variance here, which is kind of lame. But there are more deadly, right? Like, the other thing is they go off the screen, which we don't want that. So we can add like a little bit of randomness here by just like giving it a little like value when we enable it or something. Float random value, right? Let's see. Float min. Just say like do full min, full max, but 100 to 200. Let's say that. Add it onto it. Actually, subtract it. Oh no. So they should go at a different rate if you see them. Seemingly different rate. Yeah, you see. A lot of them are going off screen and we need to fix that. But they're a lot harder. Hit now, I bet. That's just a simple, like, I don't think it's that bad that they go off screen. It's just they're going too far off screen. If you look at this, here's a camera. He's going all the way out here. One thing we do is we pinch spawn points down a little bit, which we should probably do that anyway. The other thing we can do is just make them stop if they hit the edge. Let's pinch the spawn area down a little bit first. So this is our vertical extent, right? So let's just we can make a public variable here if we want to. Float buffer .of. Let's just make this buffer. Take away one whole thing on both sides. So they won't spawn to the edge now, right? Like I don't. Like all the way down here at least. I think that's a lot better. Like they're still going off, but like I don't mind that they go off and come back on. Like just for right now. I don't want enemies to come from here eventually too. But yeah, we got a fast guy, we got a guy moving around. What else do we need? And we do. We could the enemy even smarter. That we're gonna. Sorry, I don't know if you guys hear me. I'm kind of out there. We can make the enemy smarter, but to do that, we're gonna have to know where the player is. So let's make. We have an enemy manager, right? I want to make a player manager. Make this new C# script. Player men. Okay. This will also help us with like respawning and stuff. This will be the class in charge of it. So it's going to be similar to the enemy manager, so let's keep that up. Put them next to each other. Oh, I'm going to copy it. Oh man, I'm so tired today. Player manager, player manager. Yeah, we probably don't want it to be. We don't be mono behavior if we don't. To player. Do we have an actual thing called player? I don't think we do. Let's call this player. Let's do it. This is kind of like a placeholder. Like I could put the input controller stuff in here, but oh yeah, I think I'm gonna. Oh, it compile because quick spawn player wire active players. I should have did a rename. Oh. A lot of copy pasta. So player instance. Should be, let's make this called player destroyed. And we're not going to log any score stuff or whatever. So that will be a cool thing. I want to remember to do that next time. I think next time maybe we'll do like score and replaying levels and start making it a game. Right, take that note down real quick. Yeah, so that's the great instance player. So let's see this way to do this. Actually, for right now, we'll make it a mono behavior. I want to keep this. I'll keep this commented out because I think we don't want it to be a mono behavior at the end of the day. But we can put a transform in here, and that can be the spawn point. Then we just do public void on enable spawn player at. We need the player prefab public player. Yes. So we could just make this just wherever we put this sucker. Nah, actually, no. I think that's better. Sorry, going back and forth. Spawn point transform dot position. Spawn point dot transform dot. Really, that should be identity, but for some reason we decide to change our rotation. It will be like that. Yeah. Let's put the player ship here. We need to add player to it. It's kind of a placeholder script, but we need it. Do a new game object. select so that we can get it. Player, let's create a transform, give our create a child. Let's make it spawn right there. So this is a spawn point. Active players and score. We don't need this. We don't need score. Active players we need, but we don't need to make it public right now. So we probably will need the public. So let's just make get my eye. Private setter. Okay. So now we should at least spawn where we put this guy. Oh, we gotta delete this guy first. I know what's gonna happen. Yep, we got an error. Because our player needs to know about a camera. And this guy, player ship, camera control, he doesn't know where it is. So our player ship, the camera constraint, public void awake. Simple fix for this is we can set the camera. Oh my goodness. Equals camera. Stop. Oh my goodness, I'm fat fingering everything. Get component. Since we know this is the main camera, we can do this. I don't like to do this a lot because maybe if you have a multi-camera setup, it's may not be as clear. But for this, it should be fine. Yay, no more errors. And now we're spawning. Oh, we died. So we died, but now since we have this player manager and the fact that it was on enable, it spawns. I can just should be able to respawn. Even though I respawned and I got hit right away. But you know, at least we have a way to respawn. It isn't unlike the enemies. It's not letting us know like when to remove itself. So if we look at the enemies here, when an enemy is destroyed, enemy under instance is destroyed, it removes itself. So we need to do something like that for the player ship. The player. So go with the ship here. Oh, I'm sorry, the player, the actual player itself, the player class. Do it in here. Get a reference to the ship. Pretty copy paste the enemy. Really, we could like combine these into like a destructible thing, maybe. Or not destructible, but something else. Just, you know, reusing code, but this is good. It's just a prototype. It's supposed to be pretty fast. On ship destroyed. So I don't have a reference to this. Only because of, you know, I could do something hacky. Set the reference on enable, but or I could make an instance, but then I can't set the spawn point. or the prefab. Do that somewhere else. Which is cool. Fine, really. Oh. Let's do this for now. Just so I can get this rolling. This is not a good way to do this. Maybe I shouldn't do it. No. It's too hacky. I can't. Sorry. Alright, so let's do this. Let's make this not a mono behavior. And we're gonna take this stuff here. This guy and this guy, make it. We could do something else. Player spawn controller or something. We want player manager. Instance. Spawn player. Oh, so this will control it, and then the actual player manager will do none of that. It will just control, like, hey, I know when a player's alive, I know when it's dead. That's all I really care about. Just call this. So once we have all this stuff set up, we can just on it. It'd be easy. There we go. Oh. Controller, player spawn controller. Save. Project. And it has the spawn point. Yeah, let's move it up here. Or no, let's move it right here. Sorry, no. Yep, pretty much. Oh, player, this one. Oh, I didn't assign the ship for the player. I might be going a little fast now. Yeah, okay. Okay, respond. Boom, 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 boom. Edge. So we can have a little. Oh no, I got hit. Boop boop. Back. Oh, I spawned a bunch of them. That's funny, I can spawn two by just doing this. Now I can control them both. It's funny. I like it. Alright. But I think I'm going to end my stream here. So, what did we get done today? We got a new enemy. We fixed some things with prefab pooling. We got this guy moving and shooting. Yeah, he shoots now, which is pretty cool. The asteroid. Ooh, the asteroids. Something it was like make something with the asteroids. Gonna make them spawn next or something. Make some different sort of things with them. kind of boring right now, and there's only one of them. Would definitely add some life to it. Yeah, that one got destroyed right away. I could do that next. Better enemy AI. Once again, I can make it so when he levels with you, he shoots instead of just on a timer. They might be both equally as effective. Yeah, right. But I think I'm going to call it. Thanks so much for watching. If you are watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe. If you're watching this on Mixer right now, then please follow. I hope you have a good night or whatever. I'll see you next time. Bye. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit the like button, and if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I'm also happy to answer any questions or comments below. Thanks so much for watching.